Welcome to Razorhost. In this tutorial you will learn how to set Razorhost nameserver in hosting or domain. First you have to open hosting.in. Now log in your hosting account. After login, navigate to the domain section in your account dashboard. Find the domain for which you want to change the name servers and click on it to manage the domain settings. In the domain management page, look for the DNS/nameservers to change name servers. Click on the Change Name Servers to change or edit the name servers. Now click on the Change Name Servers checkbox. You will be prompted to enter the new name servers. Typically, you will have at least 2 name servers to enter. Enter the Razorhost Nameservers: ns1.dnspark.in and ns2.dnspark.in. After entering the Razorhost Nameservers, save the changes. Name server changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. It usually takes a few hours, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours for the changes to be fully effective. Thank you for watching this video.